Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam. So first of all you have to go to this website called irium.com and download the software. Of course you have to choose your operating system. In my case it's Windows, so I'm going to click here in Windows, and now let's choose where to save the download, and I'm going to choose downloads and download the program. So let's open it. Now we have to accept to the terms and conditions and click on next. Choose where to install the program, click on next again, and now install the program. Now all you have to do is just wait for the program to be installed on your computer. This may take longer depending on your computer specifications. Once the program is installed, you have to click on finish, and you'll see this dialog box that says that the phone is not available. This means that you have to install the app on your phone before doing anything else. So let's do that. Okay, so once you install the app on your phone, you'll see that you can now use the program. As you see, I'm using it right now and it works perfectly. You can also use it in OBS. If you click here on the plus button and then select video capture device, you can now choose the Iris webcam, as you see, and click OK. So now we are using the phone as a webcam. This can be very useful for you in case you need to use a webcam and you can't afford one. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from more videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.